Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install OpenCV in your machine. So let me first open command prompt, and first we need to make sure that Python version and pip are installed correctly on this machine as we saw previously. So I will write here Python version. So we installed Python 3.7.0 on this machine. So let me make sure that pip is also installed on this machine and what is the version of pip. So pip 10.0.1 is installed on this machine. So why pip is important? Because we will depend on pip to install OpenCV and other things as well in next session. So let us open Python shell and let's make sure if the OpenCV installed or not. So you can write import cv2 and you will receive this error. That means OpenCV isn't installed on this machine. So let's exit. So let's try to install OpenCV on this machine. So you can write pip install OpenCV Python and click enter. So if you are not able to remember this, don't worry. So maybe you can go to web and write Python. So again, we're going to open python.org and you can go to this section and here you can write opencv-python and click on the first link and just copy this one and paste it here. That is exactly same. Install OpenCV Python and click enter. So OpenCV now installed on this machine. Let's make sure that OpenCV is working well. So while installing OpenCV, it's also install NumPy. So no need to install NumPy again. Also no need to install pip because when you are installing Python, it will automatically install pip on your machine. So let me try to write import again, cv2, and I shouldn't get the error that I get before. So that means OpenCV is now installed on this machine.